Welcome along to this important announcement, because we are delighted to announce the launch of Property Tribes Bridging, powered by HD Consultants. And I'm joined by Howard Reuben of HD Consultants, and it's great to be working with you, Howard. What would you say about our timing for launching Property Tribes Bridging? Is it a really exciting time in the world of short-term lending?
Absolutely. 2013 was a huge year for property investment. Prices are starting to go up. People are looking at buying very keenly at the moment and turning a profit. But not all properties are mortgageable. Not all prices are within the parameters of the lenders. But short-term lending, bridging finance, is a fantastic financial tool that a lot of the lenders are coming out with a huge range of different products to allow for what we would call the vanilla product and property, right through to heavy refurbishment properties. This is the year where property investors are a lot more savvy now, and they know that this is far more of a mainstream product that can be used to secure their property opportunities. Indeed, and actual rates have come down significantly as well, and I was quite surprised at how favourable some of the rates are now. Well, historically, bridging finance, you would have been looking in the high teens per annum. But now we've got lenders that are offering interest rates of as low as 0.65% per month, which is an all-in rate of about 8% a year. Not to be compared with mortgage rates, because we're talking about properties that may not be mortgageable, so it's not a like-for-like comparison. But to secure a property, turn it around maybe in 3 months and pay just 0.65% per month for that, you're paying less than 3% interest rate on that property opportunity. And I think because the market is hotting up, cash can very much be a king and give an investor, a landlord, an edge. And previously, some landlords might have shied away from bridging finance, but it's definitely something for them to consider for their toolbox in the right situations. Well, property investors probably perceived bridging finance to be an expensive tool in the past, but speed is essential in a lot of transactions. And for the serious property investor that has a portfolio of properties, they can arrange the finance necessary for their next purchase, secure that opportunity, where only other cash buyers might have been in the running. So to get a mortgage, it takes a lot longer than a few days or even a couple of weeks. But for bridging finance, that can be secured that quickly and put you in the race as good as a cash buyer. Now, we've partnered with HD Consultants for this proposition for our members. Now, you bring a whole of market availability to our members, and obviously it's in their interest to work with you to find the best product for their project. Being whole of market is crucial. A borrower wants to know that they're getting the best value, the best product, the best rates from every lender that's out there in the marketplace. For us, we are also regulated advisors, so we not only advise on the full whole of market for the bridging finance sector, but also the crucial elements, which is the exit strategy as well. We've got access to all of the banks and building societies for the buy-to-let mortgages, but for those people that are maybe owner-occupiers, not necessarily buy-to-lets, we can arrange the regulated residential mortgage products as well. So we give that professional advice. HD Consultants has been around for 21 years now. We've got a team of qualified, experienced advisors, and through our service, we know that we can provide the best value deal for our clients. Well, Property Tribes Bridging is delighted to be working with you, Howard, and do check out our other videos available, because we're going to be giving you lots of hints and tips on how to really leverage short-term lending. So it's going to be an exciting year, isn't it, Howard? And hopefully more people will look into the benefits of using short-term finance. It's going to be a very exciting year. The sector is growing enormously. We're looking at, in the past 12 months, it's grown by 67%. So it's now gross lending of just under £800 million. More and more people are getting involved. Property Tribes is a brilliant community of investors. We like to think that we're pretty good at what we do as advisors. So hopefully it's a fabulous proposition going forward. Brilliant. So if you need bridging finance, or you would like to talk about the possibility of using short-term lending for your project, because it's very important to understand that mainstream lenders do not like their mortgage products being used as short-term finance, then do get in touch with HD Consultants, and Howard and his team will be pleased to talk through your project with you and see if it's appropriate for bridging. So fantastic, Howard. We're looking forward to working with you. And us too. Thank you very much.
Thank you.